I work with a lot of restoration folks on sales. Some of them are owners, some of them are managers, and some of them are sales reps. And a lot of them are reluctant and some of them even scared. So I put together 6 tips that you can jot down, and I think it's going to make life a little bit easier. If you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos, and to build a business they can sell someday for a lot of money when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, so here are the tips. Number 1, agents. A lot of people think agent marketing is dead. It's definitely not. Has it changed over the years? Absolutely. But is it dead? No. And here's the low-hanging fruit when it comes to agents. You're doing jobs, right, in your business. And any job that's an insurance job, with few exceptions, carriers that don't have agents. Other than that, everyone has an agent. Leverage those relationships. Go and meet those agents. Tell them how Mr. and Mrs. Insured are really happy with your team. Tell them what's going on with the job. Build a relationship with them. Everyone. Just think of every job that you have that's an insurance job. There's an opportunity to meet an agent, and you probably made their client very happy. Number 2, adjusters. This is very similar. A lot of folks say you can't market to adjusters because they're all the carriers are tied up with TPAs. That part is very true. But the idea of not being able to get work from adjusters other than maybe the 1 or 2 or 3 that are referring you now, no way. I definitely disagree. I've got clients all over the country who are actively pursuing getting referrals from adjusters, and it works. So just like agents, adjusters are on every one of your insurance jobs. Meet them, talk to them, stay in touch with them. Number 3, networking with contractors. So aside from the one type of contractor that everyone thinks of, plumbers, think about all the other contractors that you could network with. General contractors, roofers, electricians, pressure washing contractors. There's an endless amount of contractors who meet people, meet homeowners who have problems. Number 4, check in regularly. So number 1, 2, and 3, it's all about building relationships with folks, right? You have to check in regularly to do that, right? Think about your friends, think about your family. If you're not checking in regularly, the relationship doesn't grow, and it really does the opposite, right? So especially when you're trying to build a relationship with somebody new, you need to be in touch on a regular basis. So think about what you can do to help you with that discipline of staying in touch on a regular basis, say every 2 or 3 weeks. Number 5, building the relationship. Again, think about what can you do to build this relationship, right? You've got to get to know them. You've got to get to know what's important to them. What challenges are they having? What do they like about their business? What do they need help with in their business? Get to know them personally also, but really get to know what's important to them, and then try to figure out a way that you can support them. And finally, number 6, ask for the work. Ask for the referral. Ask for the next job. Ask them if there's anything that's holding them back from referring you, so that you know exactly where you stand with them, right? So if you need help with any of this, please book a call with me. We'll get on a call, 15, 20 minutes, and I'll help you put together a very simple action plan so you can start taking action on 1 or more of these 6 tips I've just shared. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.